We are a manufacturer of mechanical components used in the building of machinery in all manner of industrial applications.
It's always been very important to us to be customer focused and to be able to put ourselves in the shoes of the customer.
We have very long relationships with customers. Some customers have been doing business with us for nearly 50 years.
Yeah, I mean, we have some, you know them, you know what their kids' names are and things like that.
We put a lot of effort into trying to keep our costs down so that we can continue to price our products competitively.
We have a very rigorous quality system. We want to catch something before it ever leaves the facility, and we do a really good job of making that happen.
The guys on the floors, they know what to look out for, and before we ship the part, we check everything. We really go through it before we ship out. We have a nice crew here.
With today's technologies, using robotics and using automated techniques, working hand in hand with what we've done here for a long time. That's the key, is so much institutional know-how here.
We just recently had a major renovation to our shop floor and a lot of new machinery, new equipment. It's a very exciting time for us, and we're excited to be able to pass on a lot of our new technology to our customers.
Oh, this machine is state of the art. This machine is fast, efficient, and reliable. I guarantee you no milling department or machine shop has a machine like this.
Our custom parts, we take in what the customer needs. Sometimes it's just a drawing that the customer comes up with, just a hand drawing that they draw up and send over to us. And we look at it, turn it into something that we can make and get that back to them. Quick turnaround time on our quotes and get that in process as soon as possible.
We do a lot of specials, as well as just modifying a standard part. So either changing the bore, adding a tapped hole, adding a different screw size, just making minor changes or major changes.
I think at Stafford we've always made a point to take the friction out of the ordering process. We try to make it as easy as possible for the customer to get what they need.
You talk to a real person in real time when you call Stafford, so that's a big thing here.
One of the things that is very unique to Stafford is if a customer calls up and wants to order one part, okay, we can do that.
We pride ourselves historically on not having a minimum order quantity.
It's a great place to work, so I think it, turns into a great place for people to buy from. Employees are happy, then I think they want to make your customers happy.
We really take pride. We've been in this business for a long time, and we are very experienced in what we do.
95% of our shaft collars and 100% of our couplings are produced in our Wilmington, Massachusetts location, which results in a quick turnaround time for customers. We're in a good strategic location for getting product into people's hands quickly.
Whether it's one piece, two pieces, 10,000 pieces, we understand what the customer needs, and we give the customer the kind of treatment that they deserve, always.